Welcome to my channel. In this video, learn how to do oil pulling step by step. Want whiter teeth, fresher breath, and better health, using just coconut oil? Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic practice where you swish oil in your mouth to pull out toxins and improve oral hygiene. Just 5 minutes a day can help whiten your teeth, freshen breath, fight harmful bacteria, and even support your mental clarity. Oil pulling can help remove stains and make your teeth look whiter and brighter, all naturally. It helps to clean your mouth and reduce bad breath. You'll feel fresh and confident all day. Oil pulling pulls out harmful bacteria from your mouth, helping to keep your gums and teeth healthy. It may reduce swelling in your gums and soothe irritation. Great for people with sensitive mouths. Many people say they feel more clear and focused after oil pulling. It's a calm and mindful start to the day. Step 1. Choose your oil. Coconut oil is most popular because it tastes good and fights bacteria. Step 2. Scoop out about 1 tablespoon. If you're just starting out, try 1 teaspoon. Swish the oil gently in your mouth for 5 to 20 minutes. Don't swallow it, it's full of toxins now. Spit it out into the trash, not the sink. Oil can clog your pipes. Finally, rinse with warm water and brush your teeth like normal. The best time to oil pull is in the morning, before eating. Start with just 5 minutes. Be consistent and use it daily for the best results. Ready to try oil pulling? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more natural wellness tips.